Hi everyone, I'm too excited to visit Kaziranga National Park, and for that, we are traveling from Guwahati to Kaziranga today. On the way, you can see small shops of handmade items, and the items were made up of bamboo specially. Tada! We are entering the National Kaziranga Park, and this is the gate. Let's move. The road is so clean and so beautiful, and the air is so pure and refreshing too. As you can see on the signboard is the Kaziranga Tiger Reserve, Burapahar Range. So we entered Kaziranga and now we are thinking of staying in a resort, and we will visit Kaziranga National Park tomorrow. As you can see, this is a very beautiful resort and the name of the resort is Dubori. You can see this is the reception counter, and then you can see a beautiful garden. Lots of plants are there and full of greenery you can see in this resort. So whenever you come to visit Kaziranga, please do come to this resort for one day stay. After staying one night, in the next morning, we started our journey to the Kaziranga National Park. You can see this is the main gate for Kaziranga National Park. So if you want to travel inside the National Kaziranga Park, you need to hire a jeep safari or you need to have an elephant safari for that. And as you can see, this is the Assam Tourism Gate, and you have to go inside this route and hire the jeep safari from Travel and Tourism Association. And this is the counter of Kaziranga Development and Jeep Safari Association. You can see the rate of jeep safari inside Kaziranga National Park. Visiting zones are there, different zones you can see in the chart. Lots of jeeps are there for jeep safari. Near this counter you can see there are different shops available for buying handmade things. And from the counter we have hired a jeep, and the maximum number of person is 6 the jeep can hold. From the counter we went to the main gate. You can see the main gate here. We waited for a while for confirmation, and our guide went for confirming our ride. While you enter the main entrance gate, you will find many shops containing handmade gift items, or you can say showpiece available of wooden rhinos, buffaloes, elephants, birds, etc. And the thing is really very beautiful. We have started our journey to Kaziranga National Park. So let me tell you something about Kaziranga National Park. The park is in Golaghat, Karbi Anglong and Nagaon district of the state of Assam, India. And the place is specially popular because of one-horned rhino. And the rhino population is approx 2,400. This park is the home to the large population of elephants, wild water buffaloes, deers, tigers, birds, and many other animals you can spot here. See, lots of deers are here. You can also see 2-3 wooden bridge inside this National Kaziranga Park. Kaziranga is recognized as an important bird area by BirdLife International for conservation of epiphyseal species. You can also see a large number of wild elephants in this park. These are the rhinos. You can see here 2 rhinos are there. After traveling 1 hour approx, we have taken a halt of near about 10 to 15 minutes. Then again we have started our journey. During this halt, we have taken some clips also. And this is the end of our journey, and we were taken back to the same place from where we have started. That is the Jeep Safari Point. Thanks for your time, and please do come and visit this place. Bye bye.